This program will introduce you to the TM280A Twin Agent Fire Suppression System. The FSS is fielded in 3 variants: an unarmored variant, an integrated armor package variant, an interim armor variant. This system has 80 gallons of AFFF pre-mixed foam solution and 200 pounds of dry chemical agent. A 100-foot dual hand line and the HydroChem adjustable fog hand line nozzle are used to extinguish difficult Class A, B, C, and 3-dimensional fires. The system is easily mounted on a Humvee or pickup truck using a standard forklift. This easy-on, easy-off characteristic enables a self-contained mini fire truck to be created in just minutes using existing vehicles. Nitrogen gas or dry filtered compressed air is injected through the patented TM280A manifold system to provide foam expansion ratios of up to 15:1. The HydroChem adjustable fog handline nozzle allows the fire extinguishing agents to be used independently. Or in concert with each other, encapsulating the dry chemical agent inside the foam stream and providing a discharge distance of 50 feet or greater for both agents. The major components of the TM280A system consist of an 80-gallon foam tank with 4-inch filler cap, a 200-pound dry chemical pressure vessel with filler cap, 2 250 cubic foot high-pressure cylinders capable of storing nitrogen gas or dry filtered compressed air, with a constant reading high-pressure gauge. Each cylinder is independently linked to each system and is capable of fully discharging each agent tank one time. A 100-foot twin hose line on a manual reel with a quick disconnect strap to secure the nozzle. A manual hose reel crank on the left side of the hose reel, and a hose crank receptacle on the upper right section of the hose reel assembly. A hose reel brake located on the right side of the hose reel. And the HydroChem adjustable fog handline nozzle with 2 control handles marked water, foam, and powder. The dry chemical system control valves include the dry chemical reel valve, the vent valve, the charge or blowdown valve, and the dry chemical tank valve handle. The foam system control valves include the foam reel valve, premix foam tank charge or vent valve, and premix foam tank drain. The operator control panel mounted underneath the hose reel includes the dry chem and foam system pressure gauges and central air fill. The operating system pressure for the foam system can be adjusted by maintenance personnel to settings outlined in the technical manual by using the control knob located below the hose reel. The foam system has a 250 psi pressure relief valve that's mounted on the foam tank filler neck. A dry chemical 250 psi pressure relief valve is located below the vent valve. The forklift receptacles are located on the lower front frame. The system is quickly activated by turning on both high-pressure cylinder handles. Ensuring the desired agent system reel valve is open, and opening the desired agent handle on the HydroChem adjustable pattern fog to stream handline nozzle. The dry chemical system can be purged in the following manner: ensuring the nozzle on the dry chemical handle is closed and the dry chemical reel valve is open. Move dry chemical charge blowdown valve to blowdown position. Close the dry chemical tank valve. Open the dry chemical nozzle slowly until the stream is clear of dry chemical. And finally, close the nozzle. The last purging step should always be to open the dry chem vent valve and bleed off any remaining pressure from the dry chemical vessel. To purge the foam system, ensure the nozzle foam handle is closed and the foam valve is open. Open the foam nozzle until the stream has fully dissipated. Then close the foam nozzle handle. Finally, open the foam vent valve to relieve any excess pressure. Prior to placing the unit back in service, follow the agent replacement, air cylinder recharge procedures in the technical manual. The foam tank is easy to refill. First, open the tank vent valve to relieve any internal pressure. Remove the cap. Use a yardstick to determine the amount of liquid in the tank. Use a garden hose or other water source to fill most of the tank. Add the desired amount of AFFF foam in the tank as recommended in the technical manual. Reinstall the cap. The dry chemical pressure vessel can be refilled by opening the vent valve and fully relieving any internal pressure in the dry chemical vessel. Next, remove the tank cap. Place the funnel fully into the filler neck. Place a 50-pound dry chemical powder container into the funnel. Lightly shake the funnel to deposit the remaining dry chemical in the storage vessel. Add additional dry chemical powder as required to fill the tank. Remove the funnel and replace the cap. The TM280A system is easy to use. However, it's important that operators understand the proper technique to employ the system. When approaching the fire, open the compressed air foam nozzle first and sweep across the base of the fire. This procedure will provide a layering over the flammable surface and will cool the fire. Use the dry chemical as needed to extinguish the fire. Continue to work the fire slowly from left to right with the foam nozzle open. If any area needs reworking, go back to the left, then proceed to the right again with both nozzles on. Longer distances can be achieved by using short bursts and fully opening both nozzle handles. Three-dimensional fires can be extinguished by first applying a foam solution on the fire. Next, use enough dry chemical to extinguish the fire. Finally, reapply the foam to cool and cover the affected surfaces. Potential users must receive hands-on training on the TM280A in order to fully understand the operation of the system, learn the proper employment techniques, and enhance individual confidence. It is recommended that the training be conducted in a live fire scenario, utilizing trained firefighting personnel whenever possible. There are not a lot of inspections or maintenance requirements for the TM280A. It is recommended that a weekly walk-around visual inspection be completed. This inspection should ensure the cylinder pressures are in the normal operating range of 1800 to 2440 psi, and the overall condition of the system is satisfactory. If the nitrogen cylinder pressure is below 1800 psi, check for air leaks and ensure the agent tanks are full. In addition, semi-annual and annual inspections outlined in the technical manual should be completed. A few components require hydrostatic inspections. The twin hose line requires a hydrostatic test every 5 years. The high-pressure cylinders require a hydrostatic test every 10 years. Finally, the foam tank and dry chemical pressure vessel require a hydrostatic test every 12 years or whenever there's evidence of dents or pitting of the metal. The TM280A has a 1-year warranty. Users should address all warranty claims requests for technical assistance and spare parts to the appropriate USMC support activity. The Technical Manual, Operation and Maintenance Manual with Repair Parts List for Fire Suppression System Model TM280A provides detailed information not covered in this program.